Okay, hello, good morning. Welcome in our math class. Our topic for today is, again, Unit 1, fraction. And our subtopic is counting numbers as fraction. Okay, still we have to study about the Unit 1, fraction. Because last time, same unit, fraction, but not same as counting numbers as fraction. Okay. Okay. Look at the screen. We need to counting from 2 to 5. Okay. So by the way, before we start our lesson for today, I want to ask all of you, what are the types of fraction that we studied last time? What type of fraction? Oron? What?
Proper fraction, improper fraction,
And
and
what?
fraction.
Mixed fraction. Okay. That is proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction or numbers. Okay. Now we have to study this about the 3. Okay. So the first one is counting from 2 to 5. Okay. As you see on the screen, this is a number line. Okay. The number line. So you see on the first line, you will see the 2. Start with 2. See, this is a whole number 2. And next line is 2 and 1/2. Okay, 2 and 1/2. So as you see the figure, there are 2 whole number and then 1/2. Okay, and the next 2 and 1/2 is 3. Okay, this is 3 whole number. Next is 3 and 1/2. So as you see the figure, there are 3 whole number and 1/2. And the next is 4 whole number, and then 4 and 1/2, and then the next or the last is 5 whole number. Okay, as you see in the figure, we start counting from 2 to 5. Okay, that is what we call doing a number line in fraction. Okay, understand? Understand? P5?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go to another one. Okay, what is fraction number line? Okay, the fraction denotes a part of a whole or a collection. Okay, for example, look, there are 2 watermelon. Okay, I give one of them to my friend. Okay, there are 2 watermelon. I give one of them to my friend. I'm left with 1 watermelon. Okay, I eat 1/2 of it. So what am I left with? Of course, the remaining 1/2. So the remaining watermelon is nothing but a fraction. It is called half. Okay? Half is denoted as 1/2, where 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. Okay. So, as you see in this problem, how many watermelon? There are how many class? There are hello. There are 2 watermelon. And then give 1 to my friend. So, how many left?
1.
1, okay. And then, in that 1 watermelon, you eat 1/2. You divide it into 2. So, it will, how many? How many that you eat?
1/2.
1/2. So, what am I left with?
1/2.
1/2. So, remember that watermelon, the remaining watermelon, this is nothing but a fraction. So, it is called half. Okay? Because you have 1 watermelon and then you divide into 2 and you eat 1/2. So, the remaining watermelon is called half. So half is denoted as 1/2, where 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. Okay. Okay, let me see this number line. So our lesson is number line, okay? In math, a number line is a straight line with numbers, okay? It plays at equal intervals or segments along its length, okay? A number line can be extended infinitely in any direction, and we usually represent it horizontally. Okay, horizontally, and the numbers on the number line increase. When we move from left, you will start from left to right and decrease moving from right to left. Okay, you will start the number line from left to right, and you can decrease a more line moving from right to left. Okay, that is the number line. This is the number line. As I told you, whole number on number line. I said you will start from left to right. This is your left, okay? And increase to right. Okay? See, we will start with 0 to 0 to 15. Okay, and every decrease the number from right to okay. This is -1. Okay, -1 until you
เอ้ยน่ารักอ่ะ
come to 1.
ถืออะไร
Okay.
อะไรวะ บ้าไปแล้วใช่ไหมบ้ากินแต่อะไร
กาทั้งวัน
เองนี่ก็คิดได้ thank you นะ
Okay. This is a number line, okay? Fraction is less than 1. So if we have watermelon cut in half or half, okay, as shown below. This is, the first one is, how do you read this? 1/2.
1/2.
And then,
2/2.
is 2. 2.
two half,
2 over 2. This one.
three half,
Okay. This one.
half,
And this one. And this one.
six half,
And this one.
seven
And this
half,
one.
eight half,
Okay. If you add all of this, how many watermelon?
4,
4. Very good. Okay. So, this is what we call the number line. We start with 1 half, 2 half, 3 half, 4 half, 5 half, 6 half, 7 half, and 8 half. So if you will add all of these watermelon, you have how many watermelon? How many? 4. Okay. So we can represent them on a number line by following the given steps. Number 1. Let's draw a number line with markings at equal intervals. You see this? This is a number line. And the intervals, this one is the intervals. Okay, this one. Okay, that is what we call equal intervals. Okay, understand? Equal, you see? This is equal intervals. And then label the mark as shown. Okay, look at this. This is 0, 1 half, and this is 2 half, 3 half, 4 half, 5 half, 6 half, 7 half, and 8 half. Look at the interval. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's why we have 4 watermelons, because we show you how to label the marks of equal intervals. Okay? Understand? No question. Okay. Next. To make a fraction number line, there are step 1. Step 1, draw a number line with the whole numbers. Okay. Look, this is the number line with whole number. So, step 2, look for the denominator of the fraction we want to show on the number line. Example, to show 4 on the number line, because that is 4. Okay? So that's why you are going to, from 0, you put intervals with how many? 3. So you count is 1, 2, 3, 4, because we have 4 parts. Okay? So mark as many points between each whole division as the denominator. For example, 4. Okay? So divide each unit division into 4 parts. Okay? You see? I do it first with the whole number 1, 2, 3, 4. And between the 0 to 1, I will put 3 lines. And then you will count this as 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Understand? Hello? Understand?
listen,
Okay. You see, I put how many lines? 3 to make it for the intervals, because this is 4. So the 4th. Okay? Okay, then step 4. After doing this, example, you write the fraction with the denominator. We want to show 4th. So the denominator of the fraction will be 4, because there are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And between that, 0 to 1, I will put 3 lines. Okay, so I put this is for all. All the denominator is what? Hello? 4. Okay, that is step 4. Okay, and then step 5, write the numerator as 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. You see? This is, after 0 is 1/4.
1, 2, 4.
Okay. 2 until you reach number 4, and that is 16 over
4.
4. Okay. So this one, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4. Okay. What do you call this fraction? Huh? What fraction is this?
Improper fraction.
Proper fraction. And then you start here until 16 over or 16/4 is what you call?
Improper fraction.
Improper fraction. Okay, very good. Okay. Let me see if you know this to count on in tens. Okay. As you see in this work, in this activity, you are going to fill in the missing tens on this number line. Okay. Everybody get your notebook in math. Get your notebook and then write the date. So let's try to do this activity. So you are going to answer. You write number 1. 1 over 10, 2 tenths. Okay. So what is the next number after this?
Teacher, do in the worksheet, lah.
No, in your notebook. In your notebook.
Do number 1 to 6.
Yes. You don't need to draw this, okay? For example, number 1, you are going to write what is the next.
Teacher, do or not?
No. You just want to write the answer, okay?
Write only the answer.
Yes, you write only the answer. Fill the box like this. For example, number 1, or what is the number next to these 2 numbers? Then you write the 4 numbers here, fraction, okay? So in number 1, your answer will be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 fraction. What is next to this number? Okay, to this fraction. Ayan.
Yeah.ไอ้อันเนี้ยแม่มันมีอยู่ในชีทแล้วหรือมันมีอยู่ในที่ครูเอามาให้เราหรือเปล่าอ่ะก็ไปดูไม่ให้หาดูในกองก็หาแล้วก็ต้องหาดูในกองก็หา
Excuse me teacher
Yes, teacher.
นักเรียนคนใดที่ยังปิดกล้องอยู่นะครับกรุณาเปิดกล้องด้วยนะลูกตอนนี้ครูเห็นหลายคนเลยนะโอเคน่ารักมากเปิดกล้องให้ครูกับครูบีเช็คชื่อด้วยนะครับเพราะว่าไม่งั้นครูจะไม่รู้ว่านักเรียนอยู่จริงๆหรือเปล่าใครยังไม่ได้ทานข้าวอนุญาตให้เอาข้าวมาทานได้เพราะครูก็ยังไม่ได้ทานเหมือนกันเนาะทำไปด้วยทานไปด้วยได้นะครับแอบกล้องนิดนึงนะลูกโอเคขอบใจคนที่เปิดกล้องมากนะครับใครยังไม่ได้เปิดให้ครูหน่อยนะครับ
แม่น้ำหมดน้ำเหลือ2 ขวดที่เย็นน่ะ3 ขวดHere can zoom เพราะว่ามันเหลือเยอะไม่มีคนมานั่งเลย
And finish.
So you see here? Yeah. ไปไหนอะไรแม่มาได้หนูนอนแม่จะบอกว่าน้ำหมดรู้ไหมแม่พ่อแม่ตอนแม่อยู่ไหน
Okay. Finish.
No.
Go No. Okay.
Finish. Finish.
Okay, are you ready to answer?
Yes.
Okay, let's do number 1. So what next in this number line? The missing number. Number 1, who can answer this? 1, 10, 2 tens, and what next? What next? Anyone who want to answer this? I call your name. Number 4. Number 4, what is your answer? Number 4. Number 10. Number 10. Make
Number 1.
number 1 answer.
3, 10.
3,
3, 10.
3 10,
4, 10.
4 tens,
5, 10.
5 tens,
6, 10.
6 tens,
7, 10.
7 10. Okay, very good. Number 2.
Teacher, use red pen. Use red pen to check.
Yes, yes. Okay, number 2. Who can answer number 2? Figure. What is your answer? Number 2.
4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9, 10.
Okay, very good. How about number 3? Number 2, you are going to write 4 10, 5 10, 6 tens, 7 10, 8 tens, and 9 tens. How about in number 3? Who can answer?
Me.
Okay, answer. Oh, what is your answer? The first.
Ayun.
answer? Start with what number? What
มี
fraction?
start with 2 10
2 10,
3 10 4 10
4 10
5 10
5 10 6 10 7
7 10 8 10
Okay, start with 2 tens, followed by 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, and this is 6 tens, 7 tens, and 8 tens. Okay, number 4. What
แม่ครับ
fraction start?
กระจก
3 10
3 tens,
4 10 5
5
10
tens,
6 10 7 10
tens,
8
8
10
tens, and
9 10
9
9
tens. Okay, number 5.
2 10
2
10
tens,
3
10
10 4 10
4 10 5 10 6 10 7 10 8
and
10
8 tens. Okay. Number 6, the last
4
one.
10 4 10
4 tens,
5
เป็นไร
10
แหละ
6 10 7 10 8 10 9 10 10 10
okay. We are going to check your answer if it's correct. Okay.
น้าป่าน่าจะเดียวค่ะ
Okay. Who got the correct answer? Hmm? Okay. Let's do this. Counting by halves. Okay. We start this 1 half. Okay. You don't need to write your answer. Let's answer this. Okay. 1 half. Start with 1 half. Then after 1 half is 1. And then 1 and 1 half. Next is 2. So what is the 2 fraction in this
2
bag?
and 1 half
2 and 1 half and
3
3. Okay.
3
This one.
4 and
4 and 1 half
Half. 5.
5 5 and 1 half
half
6
6
6
and 1
half
half
7
7. Okay. Next.
หรือว่าอยาก
and 1 half
3 and 1 half.
4
4.
4 and 1
and
half
1 half
5
5
and 1 half
and 1 half
And
6
6. Okay. This one.
2 and 1
and 1
half
3
3
and 1
half
4
4
and 1
and 1 half
5
5.
5
Okay. This one.
5 and 1 half 6
and 1 half 7 and 1 half 8
Okay. The
Yang
last
and
one.
1 half
7 and 1 half.
8 and 1 half 9 and 1 half 10
And 10. Okay. Very good. Okay. We are on already in a number line. Okay. The numerator and denominator of a fraction. Okay. Always remember, this is the denominator. 2 and 1 is the numerator. The denominator, you count the number of parts in the whole. Okay. This one is the example, the whole and the equal parts. Okay, this is a whole number from 0 to 1. This is a whole number, okay, 0 to 1, okay, the number line. And each line is the end point of a part, okay, end point. This is the end point of a part, okay? So you this one part of the whole. Okay, the parts must be equal. Look, they are equal. Equal. Okay, so it is a fraction where the numerator is 1. Okay, the example of 1/2, 1/3, and 1/4. Okay. Okay, that is representing 1/2 on a number line. We know that 1/2 is one of two equal parts. Okay, 1/2 is one of two equal parts. It's one. This is a 1. Okay, and then they divide into 2. That's why it is 1/2. This color blue. Okay, 1/2. One part of two equal parts. Okay. We will see how to show 1/2 on a number line. Okay. Step 1. To show 1/2 on a number line, we have to divide the distance between 0 to 1 and 1 into equal parts because the denominator, okay, the number on the bottom of the fraction is 2. Okay. So this one, you are going to write the fraction. You see the distance like 1/2, okay, and 1/3, okay, 1/2, 1/3, and 1/4, okay, like that. Because the fraction and the denominator is 2, so you write 2, okay. Step like that, 2, because the 2 is the denominator, so you put 2, 2, and 2, since we divided the line into two equal parts, okay? So that one, the numerator, because the denominator is 2, the numerator on the top of the fraction, the 0, 1, and 2, counts the part from 0 to where we are. Okay? When we are on 0, we have not gone through any of the parts, so the numerator is 0. And when we are at the line in the middle, this is the middle, we are at the end point of the first part. So the numerator of the fraction is 1. Okay? And the fraction at the end at 1, so you put two equal parts between 0 and 1. So the numerator of this is
โรงเรียนไปวิชาอะไรลูกอ๋อเรียนวิชาอะไรแล้วก็เรียนกลุ่มของวิชาอะไรเขียนเลยเรียนเรื่องเดี๋ยวมารวมกันเพราะว่าตั้งแต่วันที่ 1ครูให้แยก
Okay, so if we divide the distance, this is the distance, okay, distance between 0 and 1 into two equal parts and draw an arrow from 0, the first part, we have shown one of two equal parts is 1/2, okay? Understand? This is 1/2. And this 0 to 1 is
2
okay. One whole number is this. Okay. Mapol, why Mapol? Why you raise your hand? Any question? You have any question? Huh? You see this? This is 0 to 1. So we divide into 2, that's why 1/2. You will start with 0 to 1/2 and 2/2. 2 is considered as 1, okay? One whole number. Understand? Okay.
ครูบอกว่าถ้าใครไม่กินข้าวก็กินได้อะไรครูบอกว่าถ้าใคร
Okay, this is an example of a fraction on a number line. What fraction do this arrow represent? So this one is 0 to 1. So what fraction is this represent? Okay. What fraction? In number 1. Huh? Okay, in number 1. This is the answer. Okay, this arrow, the number line has been divided into how many parts? How many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will divided into how many equal parts? 1. This one, 0 to 1. And then divide this into how many equal parts? What is the answer? Huh? Couple. How many? You see? You see this 0 to 1? How many? How many equal parts? In this number, huh? Louder.
5.
5. Okay. This is divided into 5 equal parts. So the denominator of that fraction in the number line show is 5. Okay, 5. You see, all of this is the denominator is 5, 5, 5, and 5 because this number line from 0 to 1 divided into 5 equal parts. So the denominator should be 5. So to find the numerator, this one, count the number parts of 0 to the end of the arrow. So the arrow shows 1/5. Okay, so you start here with 0. So you put 0 as a numerator. And then next is this arrow from 0 to this line is 1. Okay, so next to 1 is 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. If the numerator and denominator the same, it is equal to 1. Okay? Understand? That is 0, 5, 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, and 5/5. Okay. So that is 5 over 5 is equal to what? 1 whole number. Okay. Understand?
10.
Okay. Next. This is this arrow. You see this arrow from 0 to 5. Same with the number letter A. The number line has been divided into 6 equal parts. Okay, so the denominator is of the fraction is 6, all of 6, because divided in this 0 from 1 divided into 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so to find the numerator, again, you count the number from 0 to the end of the arrow. So there are how many parts? 6. So the arrow shows that 5, 6. Okay. Understand? You see? From 0 to 1, you are going to divide into 6. So the denominator is 6. And then you put from the start 0 until the end. Okay? So I'm asking you from here, the arrow from 0 to this line is what is the answer? What is the answer? This one, this encircle one. 5. What is the answer? From 0 to this line. So the answer is 5, 6. Okay. Okay, this is again same number line from 0 to 1, but it will divide into how many? How many equal parts? This number line from 0 to 1 divided into how many equal parts? 10. Okay. You see? You count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look, it is equal. Okay? So the denominator, because you are going to divide it into 10 equal parts. So the denominator is 10. And then you start with 0. And then you find the answer with this arrow into how many? From 0, from this arrow, from this part, what is the answer? This encircle 1. So how do you read this? Huh? How do you read this? 7 tenths. Okay? Everybody say 7 tenths. Okay. 7 tenths. If I will give you this, okay. This one. So what fraction do this arrow represent? Anyone?
1/2.
Huh? Who answered that? Number 10. What is the answer in this? If we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, divide into 5 equal parts.
1/5.
Huh? 1/5. Okay. How about this letter B? I will divide this into how many equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this one? And this, huh? 5, 6. Okay. And this one? Divide into 10. 7 tenths. Okay, very good. Okay, let's watch this video.
We've already seen that if we take a whole, and in this example, a whole is this entire green circle, and if we were to split it into 5 equal sections, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so split it into 5 equal sections, and if we were to select one of those 5 equal sections, so let's say we select this section right over here, that we have selected 1/5 of the whole, 1 out of the 5 equal sections. We can do the exact same thing on number line. Everything we've been doing so far has to deal with shapes, but we can do the exact same idea on number lines. Let's say that this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, of course, 3, 4, section of our number line between 0 and 1, find 5 equal sections. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Teacher Daisy.
5 equal sections. So what would you think is a good label for it?
Teacher Daisy.
Well, it's the exact same idea. Between 0 and 1, I've traveled 1 out of the 5 equal sections towards 1. Actually, let me make it a little bit neater than that. Equal sections a little bit better. 1, 2,
Teacher Daisy.
4, 5. What we're thinking about is this. What should we call this number here? This number is clearly between 0 and 1, clearly closer to 0, and we've gone 1 out of the 5 equal sections towards 1. Well, it makes complete sense that, well, look, we had 5 equal sections here, 5 equal sections here, and we've traveled one of them towards 1. So we should call this number right over here 1/5. So when we're talking about a fraction, 1/5, it's not just talking about, hey, what part of a pizza pie have I eaten or something like that. This is actually a number. This is a number, and we can actually plot it on the number line. And you might say, okay, well, that's fair about 1/5, but what about all these other slashes? What numbers would we call that? Well, we can make this exact same idea. If up here, instead of shading in 1 out of the 5 equal sections, if I shaded in 2 of the 5 equal sections, then I wouldn't say this is 1/5 anymore. I would say this is 2/5. And so if I go 2 of the equal sections towards 1, then I should call this number right over here. I should call this 2/5. And I could keep going. This right over here should be 3 over 5. This right over here, I've gone 1, 2, 3, 4 out of the 5 sections towards 1. So I could call this 4/5. And I could keep going. I could call this right over here. I've traveled 5 out of the 5 equal sections towards 5. So I could call this right over here 5. The red color. I could call this right over here 5/5. You might say, wait, but 5/5, we've gotten to 1, and that's exactly right. If I were to shade in 5 things over here, do that cleaner. If I were to shade in 5 things over here, you've already seen that shading in 5 things. This is now 5/5. 5/5. We've already seen that this is a whole. And over here, if we've traveled 5/5 of the way towards 1, we've gotten to the whole 1. 5/5 is the exact same thing. 5/5 is the exact same thing as 1. It is equal to a whole.
So you understand the illustration about finding the number line, the fraction? Okay. So as you see, you divided into 5 equal parts and then put the denominator as 5 until you got the 5/5 and equal to 1. Okay. Okay, let's find this. Okay, the missing fraction. The missing fraction in number 1, you count up the number line and fill in the missing fraction. Okay, start with 0 to 1 and then divide into how many equal parts? 10, okay. So you are going to find the missing fraction. So in this box, what is the missing fraction in this box?
1/10.
1/10, okay. Next is
4/10.
4/10. I think the number 10 always answers my question. Huh? How about the others? Why only the number 10? Huh? How about the others? Why you're not participating? Huh? You want me to call your number? Huh? Only one. How about the others? Okay, Ron. This one. What next? 4, 10. Nano? What next?
6, 10.
Okay. Okay, next. Number 22. Autumn. What next? 5, 10. Nano said 6, 10. So what next? Okay, you answer. Those who raise your hand.
7, 10.
7, 10. Okay, Anna. What next? Okay.
8.
Okay, this one. So until you get number 2.
0.
0. Okay. And this one? Tana quit?
3, 4.
3, 4. Okay. And number 3? What is this? Number 3?
1,
1,
1, 3.
1, 3?
1/3.
Okay. 5, 5. And this one 5?
2, 1. 5.
Huh? This one?
1.
1. Okay. So that is answer. Okay. That is 1. That is 1/3, 2/3, and 1. Okay. Any question about the number line? No question? Okay, get your worksheet.
Teacher.
Huh?
This.
Get your worksheet, children. You're going to answer page 2
And 4.
and 4.
2 now.
Page 2 is about the number line. Okay?